Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 3 birds. Now we are going to learn some information about birds. We see birds around us, in the sky, on trees, inside our homes, etc. There are many varieties of birds. Different birds live in different places. They are beautiful animals that can fly. Their body is divided into three parts. They are head, trunk or body, and a tail. They have two pairs of limbs, which means the organs which help us to move, the legs and the wings. Birds also defined as an animal that lay eggs and reproduce, which means produce the young ones, and has wings, and their body is covered with feathers. Birds have the beak to eat their food, but they don't have teeth. Let us study about few examples of birds. First, we are going to learn about peacock. Peacock is a bright colored bird with beautiful feathers. It dances very well. Peacock like to eat small snakes, insects, fruits and seeds. Peacock is the national bird of India. The term peacock is commonly used to refer the bird of both sexes, but only male or peacock, females are called as peahens. Next, we are going to learn about the bird pigeon. Pigeon is a small, fat and grey colored bird with a short neck. It eats seeds, fruits and grains. White pigeon is a symbol of peace. In ancient times, pigeons were used to carry messages from one place to another. Baby pigeon are called squeakers or squabs. Baby pigeon or squabs grow very fast and are ready to fly out between 4 to 6 weeks. Squabs do not step out or leave the nest before they grow enough to take their first flight. Next, we are going to learn about sparrow. Sparrow is a small brown and grey colored bird. It eats seeds. This bird is very commonly found in houses as it makes the nest in houses and buildings. Sparrows have beautiful voices and their chirping and singing can be heard all over. Other unique characteristics are their smooth, round heads and rounded wings. Males have reddish feathers on their backs and the female are brown and striped. Next, we are going to learn about Indian robin. Indian robin is commonly found in India. The male bird is black or brown in color with a white patch on the shoulder. It feeds on insects, frogs, and lizards. How does the Indian robin make its nest? Nests are built between rocks, in holes, in walls, or in a tree. Indian robin are active during the day and sleep in trees, shrubs, and bushes at night. Now we are going to learn about myna. Myna is a brown colored bird with a yellow patch behind eyes and a yellow beak and legs. It is good at singing and making different calls. It feeds on insects, seeds, grains, and fruits. Myna bird also an omnivore. Children, do myna birds make good pets? As a pet, they are very intelligent and they are constantly learning new things. Myna birds have a lifespan of 12 to 25 years. Next, we are going to learn about crow peasant. Crow peasant is a big bird with red eyes. The body of the bird is purple black in color. It has brown colored wings. It is weak at flying. It feeds on insects, seeds, and eggs of other birds. Next, we are going to learn about hornbill. Hornbill has a long body with a hard, hollow structure on the head. The feathers are black, gray, or white in color. It eats insects, lizards, and snakes. The hornbill are the family of bird which found in subtropical Africa. Hornbills are easily recognized by the horn. It helps to amplify, which means raising their honking call over a long distance. Hornbills have feather bristles that function like eyelashes to protect their large eye. They are found in India in the few forest areas in Western Ghats and the forests along the Himalayas. Next, we are going to learn about common babbler. Common babbler is a dull brown colored bird with dark streaks. This bird is found in the group of 6 to 10. Thus, these birds are also called seven sisters or seven brothers. It eats insects, grains, and berries. These birds are very common near towns and cities, particularly in northern India, and are well known for their habit of moving in groups, giving the name Seven Sisters. Finally, we are going to learn about the bird vulture. Vulture is a bird that flies very high. It eats the dead remains of animals. So, the vulture is a scavenging bird of prey. Vulture have the excellent sense of sight and smell to help them to locate the food, and they can find a dead animal from a mile or more away. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this class clearly. Have a nice day.